inkproducts.com has now released a very new refill kit for the new brother MFC J497DW and the other models. There's about 3 or 4 other models. It's going to take the LC 3011 cartridge or the LC 3013 cartridge, which is the high capacity. Now this is a unique refill kit because more and more of the manufacturers are doing lockouts. They lock them aftermarket out, so you're going to have to pay the price of the cartridge or your printer's just not going to print. Now these are what we call our quick fill station. These hold tremendous amount of ink. We're going to give you 130 milliliter bottles of ink, and that's enough ink to fill these twice. I estimated well over a year's of ink. Now you can mix them with the brother cartridges until you get around to putting all of these in. Now also, it's going to come with our new COC Smart Chip, and you're going to get an extra set of chips. Now these chips go around the block, the lockout, the firmware lockouts. So when this chip shows a red X, you're going to slide the new chip on. Very inexpensive. They're on our website. You can buy the whole set, or you can buy one chip at a time. Using the large cartridge, by the way, you can fill these right in the machine. And fortunately, you won't have to fill them that often. But we have to remove the front door, which is simple. It just pops right off. It's got the little thing right there, and it'll pop right off. Lay it down, push down, and it pops it off. And then we give you our own override, so it thinks the door is closed. You're going to get the syringes, the cartridges, the ink, and by the way, this is Ultra Pro True Color ink. It's a certified ink. It will not clog the printhead. You're going to get the pigment black, and they use dye-based colors. So everything is ready to go when you get it. Just fill it up. These cartridges hold quite a bit of ink, probably equal to maybe 3 or 4 of the brother cartridges. So you're definitely going to get your money's worth. And the best part is you don't have to throw it away. You can fill it up by 1 bottle of ink. Fill it up, put a new chip on if you have to. You can keep running this unlimited times and refill it unlimited times. Now you'll get question marks all the way across showing when you put these chips in. The printer doesn't know. It's going to say maybe the ink level can't be detected. It all depends on what the firmware shows. Ignore it. It'll still print. Test sheets. It has a auto feeder. It prints on both sides. It's quite the printer was only $59, but the cartridges will set you back $60, $65. And there it is. Like I said, you can mix it with the brother cartridges, or when they burn out or are used up, you can put the quick fill station cartridge in. You can view the ink level in the cartridge at all times, right here. Actually, you can just look at it. Very simple to install, very simple. So, for the best in refill kits that work, go to inkproducts.com for a lot of the brother printers. And a company that sells you the COC Smart Chip. Now if you want to remove the cartridge, you got to remove the little jumper we give you, and it'll say that the cover is open, and then you can push down, bring it out, push it back in, make sure it's in, and then you'll be able to put this back in, and it'll think, there you go, you go over there, shows that the cover is closed. Simple and easy. And by the way, when you use the syringes, don't wash them out. They're also going to say discard after use. Just ignore that. These are veterinarian syringes and they don't need to be washed out. So go to inkproducts.com for refill kits that work.